guys, today I'm going to barbecue some chicken thighs on the Weber Kettle. So let's get queuing. I have a package of organic chicken thighs here. These were $5.19 per pound, 1.96 pounds. So $10.17 for 4 chicken thighs. Getting kind of expensive, but what do you do? Anyway, this is pretty good chicken, so I buy it every once in a while. And I'm just going to season it up with some of this Kinder's mild barbecue rub. I live in Northern California. I think this company is a California company, so I use their stuff quite a bit. The ingredients of this is sea salt, paprika, spices, onion, garlic, rice concentrate, turmeric, and paprika extract, whatever that is. So anyway, I'll just get these seasoned up on both sides here. I think I'll hit these lightly with just a little bit of kosher salt as well. That looks pretty good. Now I'll just let those sit on the counter and I'll go outside and get the grill lit. I'm using Royal Oak lump charcoal for this, so I filled up my slow and sear. That charcoal holder is a slow and sear. It's made of stainless steel. It's been in my grill for about 5 years now, I think. So that's just a paper towel that I soaked in some vegetable oil. And I'm just going to use that to get it started. We'll add just a little bit more oil to that. Get a few little pieces around the edges here just to get that going. So I almost always cook indirectly on this grill. Since I put that slow and sear in here, I don't think I've taken it out. I always cooked indirectly, meaning, you know, you put the food over here where it's not directly over the coals. That way it doesn't burn. It makes cooking real easy. So as soon as these coals get going, we'll get the chicken on there. All right, my chicken's on there. My coals look pretty hot. One reason I like using lump charcoal is because it gets hotter. I like to cook chicken as hot as possible. So I think the lump charcoal gets a little bit hotter, plus I just like the flavor of it better. So I'm going to leave my vents wide open and we'll just let her rip. It's been about 40 minutes and the grill's running about 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Pretty dang hot. Let's see how we look here. Those look pretty dang good. Let me check the internal temperature of this biggest one. You want them to about 175 degrees Fahrenheit. And that one is about 176, so that's probably pretty good. What's this smaller one over here? 193, so those are pretty good right there. I haven't even touched them at all. Let's see what the bottom side looks like. I haven't flipped them. Let's see what the bottom looks like here. Oh yeah, it looks good on both sides. So I think what I'll do now is just brush a little bit of barbecue sauce on them. I'm using Kinder's mild sauce here. I've used this one in a few videos. This is pretty good sauce. I've used it quite a few times. So we'll get them all sauced up on both sides. And then I'll just get the lid on for, I don't know, 5 more minutes or so just to let the sauce caramelize a little bit. All right, let's see how these look. Those look pretty dang good to me. Let me grab a plate and my tongs. And if I can get my tongs to work here, there we go. Get those babies off of there. That was super easy. I didn't even have to touch those the whole time until I put the sauce on. So looked like they were on there about 45 minutes or so, 45-50 minutes. So chicken thighs, you want the internal temperature to be about 175 degrees Fahrenheit minimum, but they're pretty forgiving. You can go up to like 200 degrees and they still won't dry out much. Let's cut into this big one right here. The grill was screaming hot today. It got up to like 500 degrees Fahrenheit at one point. That looks pretty good. Looks fairly moist. Get a little bit of the skin there if I can. All right, let's try that out. That came out real good. Nice crispy skin, chicken's fairly juicy, good flavor. Well, I guess we better see what Annie thinks. She's waiting patiently over here. Want to try it, Annie? There you go. Chowed down. Well, that came out really good. The grill was really hot today. Like I said, it hit like 500 degrees at one point. It's a little different every time because every fire is a little bit different. But, you know, like I said, I'll just write everything in the description like usual. Keep cooking and have fun.